Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to do a beautiful bronzy glowy summer look that you can do in less than 5 minutes, that is natural, every day, that you can wear to work, that you can wear to go out. This is the easiest, simplest makeup look. It literally takes 5 minutes. It may take me a little bit longer because I'm gonna walk you through it, but it's just a few products. The eye situation is so easy. It's like the swipe of one eyeshadow. I'm using one face palette and a beautiful lip gloss, and I really think that this is the most wearable, glowy, healthy summer makeup look that I have done in a very, very long time. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you find this video useful or helpful, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. That will help me be seen in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, I've moved the camera up, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer from Too Faced, and I'm going to put this on the center of my face because it is the summer and I'm looking very oily on the center of my face. And even though I want to have glowy products all over my face, I don't want my chin and my nose and my forehead to be shiny. And this, I think, looks particularly good without foundation. And most days I don't wear foundation, so this is like perfect. And then I just put a little touch on my forehead right here where I tend to get very shiny. And I don't know, it just like perfects the skin. It's like just a beautiful primer. I think it looks, like I said, it looks better without foundation than it does with foundation. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair 15, and I'm just gonna do a little bit under my eyes. I'm gonna take my Sephora concealer brush, which is right here, and I am just going to blend this in under my eyes to get rid of those blue bags and bring it down. And a little bit on my nose because my nose tends to be red. Just blend that in. I also get a lot of redness right here on my cheek, so I bring that down. And then I, again, bring it over my nose. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Next to Nothing powder, and I am going to use my Bobbi Brown powder brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my face just to keep the shine from getting crazy. And I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to set my concealer under my eyes with the same powder. And then I'm gonna take like the star of the show, well, one of the stars of the show, which is the new Becca, Chloe, and Malika palette. I don't even know who Malika is, but, and I'm not like a huge Kardashian fan, but I do love this palette. You're gonna hear about it in my favorites, which I think is gonna go up last week, so that you will have seen that favorites video. But I really, really love this palette. It was on sale and I just thought it was so beautiful, so I decided to buy it. It's got this gorgeous highlighter, 2 gorgeous blushes, and a bronzer. You guys, like when I put this on my face and I walk past a mirror, I'm like, it looks so good. So I wanted to demonstrate to you guys because it is on sale, and in case any of you want to get a beautiful bronzy glow like I'm gonna do here, you can get this thing for like 40% off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bronzer, and I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm just gonna put that on the top of my face and just on my cheeks a little, just to give me a little bit of color. And then I'm gonna take my MAC blush brush. This is the 129, and I'm going to dip it in this shade right here, which is called Cocoa Bronze. And is that right? No, Fabulosity. It's called Fabulosity. And I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks. And it's got like a glow to it. It's definitely a glowy blush, but I'm good with that. I'm totally into that this summer. And when you put the highlighter over it, it's so beautiful. Like seriously, when I walked in front of a mirror today, I was trying on eyeglasses, and I was like, whoa, this thing is even better than I thought it was. Next, I'm going to take this Glow Up shade right here, and I'm gonna use my fan brush. It's just my It Cosmetics fan brush, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks, the high points of my cheeks. I'm gonna put it on the center of my nose, and then I'm gonna put it on my upper lip. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is take my Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder, and I'm just gonna sculpt my nose really quick. This is something I do every day. Just like this. And then I put that touch of highlight in the center, and it looks really pretty. And then next I am going to take my Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna put a dab of that on my eyelids because the next product that we're gonna use is gonna be a cream eyeshadow that I also talked about in my favorites that I love. And I want that not to crease. So I'm just gonna put a dab of this onto my eyelids. Before, great product. If you've never seen this before, drugstore primer, it's awesome. So for my eyes, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Hourglass glitter eyeshadow in the shade Smoke. You guys, these are absolutely stunning. I was in Vegas, I bought it on a whim. It is so super pretty. It's like a cool brown. It's like a taupey brown. This is what it looks like in the tub. And you just put your finger in it and then I'm just gonna pull out a mirror. You just dab it on your eyes and look at that. Look at the shine that it gives off. It's like the easiest thing in the world. It's like one step. It gives you this beautiful, like glittery eye. But you guys, I feel like I could wear this to work. I feel like it's not so glittery that it's ridiculous, but it is beautiful. It's just got this beautiful, shiny look to it. It's absolutely stunning. I can't believe like I haven't tried these before now. Hourglass glitter scattered light glitter eyeshadow. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can find a dupe in my ColourPop collection for this, but as far as I know, I don't have a color that looks exactly like this. It is absolutely gorgeous. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to line my eyes with my Stila smudge waterproof eyeliner in the shade Oscar Fish. I think this was a limited edition like forever ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. Just any brown eyeliner will do because we're going for kind of brown, taupey, summery shades here. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is take my Kaboom Benefit Brow product and I'm just gonna fill in my brows like a teeny weeny bit. Same thing for the other. This is like the easiest product to use, you guys. Like it takes no work, no time. And it's super natural. Like if you're going for like a very natural non-Insta brow look, this is a great product. So I'm sure you could use it if you wanted like really, really severe brows too, but that's not what I go for. So if you want something natural, I can attest to its outstandingness. I then take my little e.l.f. spoolie, if I can find it, and I just run through my brows. This is like $1 at Target. And I just run through my brows like that. Same thing on this side, and that just gives you like a totally natural brow look. Next, I am going to put on some mascara. I am going to curl my eyelashes with my, what is this, Shuamera lash curler. And then I'm going to prime my lashes with my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. And then I will go over that with my Superhero Mascara in black. And then lastly, I will do my lower lashes with my L'Oreal Lash Discovery, which has this awesome little teeny weeny wand, which is great for lower lashes. Lastly, I am going to line my lips with my little nub of a Bobbi Brown lip liner. And then the last step is to use this gorgeous Milani Keep It Full lip gloss in nude shimmer. It is the prettiest color ever. I'm just gonna put that on my lips. And that is it, you guys. That is the full look. Look at how glowy it is. Like, look at the lips. Like, I feel like this combination, this lip gloss, actually the three things. This palette, the Hourglass little pot of eyeshadow, and then this Milani lip gloss give the most gorgeous, like, bronzy, summery glow. I absolutely love it. You guys can like see my skin like shimmering. It is so pretty, and it actually looks so natural. Like, literally, it does not look like I'm glowing to outer space. It is not making my pores look huge. This is just a beautiful, beautiful product. So if you guys have any interest in it, I totally suggest you pick it up. You guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. It is such a simple way to look healthy and bronzy and glowy for the summer. I love, love, love this look. As you guys know, I am super into looking just radiant this summer, and I feel like this palette in particular is like such a great way to do that, especially in conjunction with this little Hourglass pot. So if you guys have not checked these out, definitely do. Certainly check out the Milani lip glosses because they are comfortable, affordable, amazing, and this color in nude shimmer is really great for the summer. It goes with any kind of bronze makeup look that you might be thinking about doing. And I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.